Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, I want to give a shout out to this asset called AGR5. I am not sponsored, I was not asked to do this, I was not paid to do this. This is a plugin that I came across very recently, and this is actually one of my favorite plugins that I've ever used for inventory. I've always struggled with inventory. This is all made in C++ and replicated, and the best part about this is it's free. Well, I already installed it, so you can't really see that, but it's free. They have a tutorial video and a huge playlist coming out soon. They have proper documentation and it comes with many modules. So they have stuff for animation, inventory, projectiles. Personally, I've just been focusing on the inventory component and this is actually amazing. It's so easy that I've been overthinking on how to use this and it just works. This is replicated, all built in C++ and exposed to blueprints, and it's insanely easy. I really want everyone to kind of get on this, and yeah, all for free. And this is made by 3S Game Studio on YouTube, and feel free to check them out and subscribe. I'll leave the link for their Discord and their channel in the description below. But they have a very solid inventory, kind of like Breath of the Wild, and it already comes with all these components where it's really easy to set up a UI, pick up items, drop items, equip them onto whatever slot you want, food, books, and it's made with gameplay tags as well. So in this example, this is from the AGR5 devs. They're already showing off that it's working in multiplayer. You can see the health go down when this character steps in the fire. You can see when he picks it up, it disappears and it equips properly onto his hand. And yeah, there's just so much that you can do with this inventory. I just can't believe it's free. So I really had to give it a shout out. I joined their Discord recently. Recommend anyone who struggles with inventory and UI stuff to at least look into this because it's free. It doesn't hurt. Their C++ coding is amazing and it's all object oriented. And yeah, so I've been playing around with this quite a lot today and can't wait to start giving, my own tutorials and teach users how to do this. And I'll definitely be incorporating this into my gameplay ability system videos because it's free and already well done. And why reinvent the wheel when you have something this good on the store for free? And yeah, so pretty soon they're going to be actually giving this inventory entire UI stuff like a mini sample project with their own objects, their own graphics and stuff for a price on a marketplace. I don't know how much it's going to cost yet. It's just something I read in Discord. But currently what you see is using Cinti assets. And if you want to buy any Cinti assets, feel free to check out my affiliate link in the description below. And yeah, just wanted to give this asset a shout out. Amazing asset. I cannot wait to start playing with this and learning the inside out of this. And just to show you how easy it is, I just started the project. Go over to edit plugins, make sure it's enabled. So now that it's enabled, I can exit out this. I'm going to go over to BP third person character, double click to open this up. So in my BP third person character, I'm just going to add that AGR inventory component like so. And then I'm going to right click on my content browser and create an actor. This will be just called a BP sword. Just going to double click to open this up. And all we're going to do is just pick up this item. So what I'm going to add is the AGR item like so. And now in my event graph, I also need to implement that interface that comes with this. So I'm going to go over to my class settings, look for implemented interfaces, and add that AGR item interface like so. And now we're going to already have all these interface functions. So for example, under this item, can item be used, equipped, picked up, dropped, etc. I'm going to double click can item be picked up. I'm just going to set the return value to true. Go to the event graph, and all I'm going to do is just add some sort of sphere collision like so, and I'll just call the sphere. And then basically what I'm going to do is when I on component begin overlap with this sphere, I'm just going to pick up that item. So I'll just call pick up item, which is already exposed to blueprint, and the inventory will be the inventory component from my other actor. So I'm just going to drag out other actor, get inventory component, drag it to inventory component, and then I will just print string, which just says item or item picked up, and then I'll hit compile, and that's pretty much all I need for my item. Oh, and also let me assign it a static mesh. So I'm going to look for a static mesh, and I already imported some Cinti sword. So I'm just going to look for a sword, and in this case, it's going to be, I'll just drag out this sword. I'll just expand the sphere collision to be really big, hit compile, and I'll go back to my BP third person character. And I simply just want to display my inventory. So I'm going to get debug key G, and then we're going to get all items from our AGR inventory. And then I'm going to drag out and get a for each loop. And I'm going to have the return value connect to this array. And from this array element, I'm just going to get display name. And then I just want to print string like so. And I'll connect the loop body in here. And then I'll hit compile and save. Now, when I go to this sword on the top left, you're going to see that it's going to say pick up when I go near it like so. And then when I click G, it's going to show me what all my inventory items, which is this BP sword. And yeah, it probably took me longer because I was explaining what I was doing. But this is like a 30-second setup simply just to pick up an item for free. This is just insane to me. How is this free? I don't know. But thank you 3S Game Studio for making this. This is freaking amazing. And yeah, thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.